Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks using interactive brokers. First, you will need to open and fund your interactive broker's account. Once your account is ready, navigate to their user-friendly trading platform or mobile application. From there, you can easily search for the specific stock you are interested in purchasing. This initial setup is straightforward and gets you ready for your first investment. After finding your desired stock, the next step is to place your order. You will need to choose an order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a specific price. Then, specify the exact number of shares you wish to acquire. Always take a moment to carefully review all the order details before submitting it to ensure accuracy. Understanding different order types is crucial for effective trading. A market order executes immediately at the best available current price, offering speed. A limit order, however, allows you to buy or sell at a specific price you set, or better, giving you more control. You might also consider stop orders to help manage potential losses by automatically selling if a stock drops to a certain point. Once your order is placed, monitoring your investments becomes key. You can easily track your stock's performance and portfolio value directly through the interactive broker's platform. Setting up alerts for significant price changes or important news updates can keep you informed. Remember to periodically rebalance your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.